back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead video for you. In this video, I have two different job leads from the same company. Both seem to be non-phone, communicating through like email and chat. We are going to dive all in. Just know the links to everything I share are always in the YouTube description box below this video. The company is Muck. Now, I have featured this company on this channel before. They do have 84 reviews on Glassdoor. Out of the reviews they have a very high rating of 4.7 out of 5 stars. But please always do your own research on any companies before giving your personal information to them. But with that being said, the first job lead is a media research specialist. Now, this is remote both for the United States and for Canada. Real quickly, Muck is a leading software as a solution platform for public relations and communications professionals. So as a media research specialist, you're going to work with their editorial team on a database that curates hundreds of millions of data points with the most up-to-date information on different journalists and media outlets across digital, print, podcasts, newsletters, and social media. So you're going to be basically growing and maintaining Muck's database they have internally with the journalists and content producers. You'll hit metric-based goals around growth and quality. You'll also serve as the go-to person for user queries related to their database and services. Now, these user queries are going to be like online, email, some kind of form of written communication. Generally, you'll become familiar with their public relations and journalism industries, and you'll work closely with the product and tech teams to improve their platform. Now, as far as what they're looking for, someone who has 0 to 2 years of a professional experience, some kind of a research, customer service, something like that. Someone who has a great attention to detail, and you don't have to have journalism or a background in media public relations. They would prefer that, but they want someone who really just loves and would love to understand journalism and media. Someone who is a quick study, not afraid to think out of the box, and has great communication skills. Now, if this sounds like something you're interested in, the pay for this position is $27 an hour. And of course, they offer a standard benefit package that includes health benefits, paid time off, 401k, all the things. They also have a technical support specialist position open. Now, this is remote for the United States only, but as a technical support specialist, you'll serve as a first responder for inbound communication through their website. So again, non-phone. You're going to answer customer questions and provide how-to help on Muck's capabilities with a focus on reducing customer effort and further explaining the product knowledge. You'll help troubleshoot technical issues, diagnose errors online, and this one says occasionally you may have to contact them via phone, but you'll escalate and diagnose software issues, work with their project engineering teams to solve those complex issues. Now, most of this is going to be written non-phone. It says they're looking for 1 to 2 years of experience in some kind of a technical support field, someone who has a great written and verbal communication skills, someone who can troubleshoot and perform in-depth investigations, someone who's familiar with tools like Google Apps, HubSpot, those types of things, someone who has great attention to detail, and for this position, you have to be willing to work one of the following 2 shifts, either 10 a.m. to 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time or 11 a.m. to 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Again, this position is the same as far as pay and benefits, $27 an hour and a standard benefit package. All right, as always, if this job lead was not for you, that's absolutely okay. Please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I do read those and keep that in mind. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.